It finally transpired. Now that Ripple and the SEC have finally resolved their long-running dispute, the outcome will impact the whole cryptocurrency market. This is when it gets shocking. Overnight, the price of XRP skyrocketed to an unbelievable $9,987, skyrocketing even farther than before. You shouldn't think of this as a mere temporary boost or pump. This may mark a watershed point in XRP's history. After years of doubt, legal disputes, and price declines, XRP holders are now witnessing a monumental shift. For what reason was this leap so enormous? Did the case's conclusion play a role, or is there a more significant event unfolding in the background? Also, the most significant question is this just the beginning of a larger rally? We will discuss the lawsuit's handling, the factors that contributed to the price spike, and the future of XRP in the cryptocurrency and financial industries. This is going to alter the course of history, so be careful. A protracted legal battle has raged between Ripple and the SEC. In 2020, the SEC asserted that Ripple sold XRP without first registering it as an investment. This one lawsuit sent the cryptocurrency market into a tailspin. After being removed from major exchanges, XRP saw a precipitous decline in price as investors fled the market. Resisting the idea that XRP was an investment, Ripple instead characterized it as a digital asset similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investors were understandably anxious as the dispute continued for years, with numerous twists and turns in the law, setbacks, and uncertainties. Oh, but that was then. The discussion came to a close with a final ruling, which confirmed that XRP is not a security and allowed Ripple to proceed with their business as normal. This is a major victory for the entire cryptocurrency industry, not alone Ripple. The decision in the case establishes a precedent and demonstrates that the SEC cannot arbitrarily target cryptocurrency markets in the absence of defined regulations. Even those who were formerly scared about XRP's prospects are buying it up in droves. Even though some businesses were first hesitant to adopt it, they may now begin integrating it into their accounting processes. More than only XRP's reputation was cleared by this ruling. Price increases above what had previously been possible were enabled by it. What, however, was the precise reason behind the overnight price spike to $9,987? What caused this sudden explosion? Let's dissect it. The outcome of the litigation had an unexpected and dramatic impact on the price of XRP. Almost immediately after breaking above earlier barrier levels, XRP skyrocketed to a staggering $9,987. In what time did this transpire? The elimination of legal ambiguity is the primary and most obvious cause. Due to the ongoing SEC dispute, XRP was not completely adopted for years by both companies and investors. The market regained confidence once the lawsuit was eventually concluded. An unprecedented demand for XRP emerged. Institutional purchases also played a significant role. This was the ideal opportunity for major financial institutions that had been keeping an eye on XRP to go in. The rapid acquisition of XRP by whales and institutions drove up its price with every deal. Meanwhile, many were scared to miss out, FOMO, due to the steep price increase. The news that XRP had avoided legal issues began to circulate. Consistent purchasers hurried in to secure their holdings before prices surged any further. To make matters worse, major exchanges that had removed XRP from their listings when the litigation was at its peak abruptly resumed trading it. After years of being unable to do so, millions of customers could finally purchase XRP. A perfect storm hit when both institutional interest in XRP and the availability of more capital arrived. A meteoric rise occurred in price. Is this the beginning of a much larger breakout for XRP, or will it be able to maintain its current price? At this point, that is the true inquiry. Who knows what the experts will say or what the future holds? With XRP's price having surged to $9,987, everyone is wondering if this is just the beginning or if the price will continue to rise. They see this as the start of a long-term uptrend for XRP, not only a temporary upturn. The case was the primary obstacle that prevented XRP from progressing. And now that it's in place, ordinary citizens, hedge funds, and large banks can all stock up without fear of government intervention. This may lead to increased demand and price increases in the coming months. However, something else crucial is happening. With the U.S. legal landscape now more clear, Ripple can go forward with its worldwide relationships and strengthen its position in CBDCs, cross-bench payments, and other related industries. And the actualization of tokenization of assets. In the past, financial institutions were wary of using XRP because of concerns about potential government interference. Their payment systems can now completely incorporate XRP. This has the potential to skyrocket the amount of XRP transactions every day. This would lead to an even greater surge in demand, potentially driving the price to new heights. Nothing has changed. Issues persist. There may be a temporary decline when early investors get their money back, according to some analysts, following such a massive increase. The market often experiences ebb and flow following major occurrences such as these. The future of XRP looks brighter than it has in the past, although there is always the chance of short-term declines. It is widely believed that XRP has entered a new phase when its value is determined by more than simply speculation, but also by actual demand and usage. The reason behind this is that it is being utilized by more organizations, rules are getting clearer, and its utility has increased. Finding out whether XRP can maintain its gains or if another large breakout is on the horizon will depend heavily on the events of the next several weeks. The outlook for XRP's future, however, has never been brighter. This litigation deal affects a lot of things, not only XRP. The whole Bitcoin industry could be impacted by it. For a long time, hazy restrictions have stymied the development of digital assets. A good example is the SEC's lack of direction as it has pursued various cryptocurrency ventures. However, with Ripple's victory, this case study takes on great significance. If XRP is not considered a security, what does this signify for the other coins that have been under scrutiny? The ruling may cause authorities to reconsider their practices, which could result in more transparent regulations for the entire industry. Speculative large-scale investors may now feel comfortable jumping into the cryptocurrency market as concerns about regulations subside. Major financial institutions, payment processors, and banks may now implement blockchain technology more quickly than they would have otherwise waited for the regulations to clarify.